Hey, welcome to Caldera Creative Creations. My name is Roxana, and I'm so happy to be here because we got another beautiful spring wreath going for you. We are working with our 24-inch wreath. We also are working with a variety of beautiful spring colors. We got some daffodils, we got some pink, blue roses, got these cute little white variety of roses, small ones, not roses, like little florals. And we got some of these, we got pink ones, we got light pink ones, we got blue ones, we got another pink purplish ones, and we got some geraniums. We also got some of this greenery, which I love to work with. Beautiful, beautiful. We got these cute little butterflies. Look at, hey, got some butterflies going on. Okay, and we are working with a 77-inch ribbon and a 42-inch. That is for the top of our ribbon. For the bottom, we are working with 2 pieces of 39-inch ribbon for the bottom. Okay, with that said, let's bring our wreath down and let's get this started. Wow, everybody, I'm so excited. Let's get this started and let's make this wreath, everybody. First things first, we got to put some of our greenery out here so we have a little bit of greenery showing, like that. Some more over here. Just work your way around and working with the wreath. Like always, I love these wreaths. They're so easy to work with. Just watch, look at it. Put this in there. And with the wires, it's wired. It's wired there. All of it's wired, and you just insert. Ooh, there it is. Okay, now we're going to get another one over here. Right here. We got this right here. Ay, ay, ay. There. Okay, we've got another one going down here. See, just fill this up with the greenery. Tuck that in right there. Get this one and just right there. Now we're going to work with our ribbons. Okay, we got this large one. This is the 77-inch one. We're going to work with our loops, everybody. If you don't know the loops, well, it's like a little small tail, 6-7 inch. And it's about 12-inch. Take it right here. Grab it right here. That's a loop. That's one. Then you grab it and you take it again and just twist it like that. Twist it like that and, oh, there it is. We got it, see? And you just grab them together and you insert them wherever you're going to put them. There, even. Okay. Just put these in here like that. And there it is. See how easy and how beautiful that came out? Just puff them out. There, going there. Okay, now we're just going to twist this bottom so you make sure you're seeing the beautiful color of ribbon. And we are going to take this. We're going to go down a little bit. We're going to make another loop and another loop. You make 2 like 12-inch loops. It's up to you. You could go bolder and bold, you know, it'd be beautiful, you know. Exciting looking wreath. Then we're just going to come right here, gather it together, and I had too many. Pin it on, and there it is, everybody. How easy was that? Look how beautiful it comes out. Turn this so we can have it twisted out. And there. We are going to work with another piece. I think we're just going to make 2 loops. We're going to get them back up here with the top. Take our little piece. Get a loop. Twist it a little bit. And take another loop and look, you got a bow. We're going to twist this beauty in here. Grab one. Pull it up and twist it. Ta-da! Look at that. Got that going. Oh my, look at fluff these up and how beautiful that is. Okay, we are going to do the bottom now, everybody. These are 39-inch ones. Take these and put them on the long side on the bottom. Gonna straighten them out a little. I think this is the 2. One, and twist it. And there's another one. It's like a little bow. Hey, get together right here. Hey, look at that. We're gonna pin this right here. Okay, I'm gonna get this. Get some of these. Balance it out now. We're gonna put it right here again. There we go. Get it in and bam, look at that. Wow, everybody. Okay, we are going to get another ribbon. Wow, like I said, this is going to be a beautiful wreath. All wreaths are beautiful. Okay, we're going to take this, get a little bit of tail, grab it again, grab it like that, twist it, put it like that. And there's your bow again. Got another one going on again. See if they're the same size. A little bit more. We got it. Okay, this one's going to go right in here. Right here. Okay. Now, we're getting ready for our beautiful florals. Okay. Look at that, everybody. How's that looking? Beautiful, huh? Just like that. Okay. Fluff them up. Fluff them up a bit. Now, let's get started with these bold ones. Where are we going to put these bold ones? Just go wild with your well, pin them in if you want, or you could glue them in. Just go wild with your florals. Be creative and balance them out, you know. Just have fun making them. Let's just have fun. Look at these all over in here. Let's twist and put them on. There's another training. There's one at the top. We're going to put another one up here. Get this going right there. And another one over here. Down there. Another one right here. I just went into another zone just a minute ago. Hi. There we get this right here. Look at that. Balance these beauties out. Another bright one up here. Look at that. Wow. Okay, we're going to stop with those. Wait. We're going to get one more up in here. Look at that. Bam. Let's get some daffodil. Let's get some pink. More pink. Bam. Da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. Woo. Okay, that's too much here going on right there. Remember now, Mommy, you got to balance them out. There. Okay, we're going to start with some of these. Let's get some of these beauties going up in here. Look at that. What a difference. Look at that. Wow. I just love making these wreaths, you know. Like always, I'm just going to tell you guys that. You guys make my day. Yes, you guys do. Here we go. We're going to... Uh-oh, these got together. No, that'll be good together, huh? Nah, put a blue. That is a blue. No, I'll put a darker one. Remember now to balance these out, so... And at times you can step back and, you know, visualize what you're working with. Yeah. If you got some flaws, you just fix it all up. There we go. Look at that. Wow. All around. There's another one right here. Look at that. This one, I think we'll keep that there. Can we put this one there, buddy? Let's get some right in here, huh? Look at that. Wow. this one I think I'm going to put right here. Oh, wait. We got some of these going. There's a lot of, ooh, right here. A lot going on, huh? A lot of florals. Take all your florals out and just go wild. Okay. We got another one of these. Let's put that rubber band right here. Ooh. Okay, we got a pink one there, pink one. I think we gotta get some of this hot pink down here, huh? Oh, we got some more. Wow. Get another one over here. Look at the little greenery on there. Pretty cute, huh? I think we're gonna get one. Take that one. Look at this big old stem. Yeah. Cut that up a little. Oh, it's about time for some more clippers. But look at that. Wow, with the greenery hanging out. Ooh, beautiful. Okay, I think we're going to get some more, but let's step back. Let me see. We're going to move that one over there. We're going to put that there. Wow, everybody, how's it looking? Look at that. Ooh, thumbs up, or just leave one of your comments. Love listening to your comments. Ooh, look at this. Wow, we almost got this now, everybody. Get one right in here, and I think we got it. Okay, we got these cute little white florals now. Look at, oh my, look at what a difference these are going to make. Look at that. Got that one going there. Let's get some over here. Look at that. Okay, and we got some more coming up right here. Wow, beautiful. Look at, watch. Wow, look at that. Ta-da! I think we got it right there. We got these beautiful little butterflies. Let's fix them up. And can we put him up and put him right here? Look. Bam, look at that. And we got these. Know what that is on there. But we are going to get this guy right in here. Look at that. Ooh, so cute. So beautiful. Another one over here, and everybody, I think we got this. Come on, butterfly. There. Wow. Let me see. Let's pin it up. Look at that, everybody. Wow, so gorgeous. Let me figure. Can you all see that? Let me see. Ooh, look at that. Look at how gorgeous that came. Wow, just my camera. I'm learning, everybody. I'm learning with you. Look at that. Wow. All these different colors. Let me get my handy dandy ribbon twister. Da-da-da-da-da-da. All these different colors. And wow. Just think of the real flowers. Ooh, the aroma and everything. Wow. Boing. Look at that. Let's get some of these. Our handy dandy ribbon twister. Just twist some of this. Okay, how's everybody doing? Let's get that smile on. We got another beauty down. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Got some kind of inspirations or ideas. Alexa, stop. Excuse me. Alexa, stop. What is going on with that? Anyway, once again, thanks for coming to my channel. Everybody have a beautiful, wonderful day. Until the next video, we still got some spring going on. And if you guys enjoyed my video, consider pressing the subscribe button. And thanks for watching. See ya. Oh my God, look how beautiful. All the beautiful different colors, and just go wild with your florals and just have fun making them. Thank you for watching.